Now that you've sent off your invoice, let's take a look at how payments work in Fergus, both with and without an accounting integration. First, a quick note. If you have Fergus Pay set up, you can offer customers the option to pay by credit card. Without it, this feature won't be available. Check out our guides on Fergus Pay for more information on setup and how it works. To get started, find an invoice with an outstanding balance by clicking on the Payments column and selecting the relevant invoice number. If you've connected an accounting package, there's no need to manually record payments in Fergus. When you send an invoice, it automatically syncs with your accounting software. To check the sync, go to the Invoices tab within the job and look for your accounting packages icon. For example, this infinity symbol shows the invoices synced with Xero. Clicking it will take you directly to the invoice in Xero. From there, reconcile the invoice as usual within your accounting package. Once it's marked as paid in your accounting software, that payment syncs back to Fergus, and the job will be removed from your status board once it's paid in full. No accounting package? No problem. You can still add payments manually in Fergus. Open the invoice, click the 3 dots in the top right corner, and select Add Payment. Enter the payment amount and type. Once the invoice is fully paid, the job will also drop off your status board. And that's it! Your invoice is now reconciled in Fergus and the job has been automatically marked as inactive.